Why do we have to let go of things that no longer serve us? It is to make room for the new that is coming in. Remember, the aggregate of what is inside of you determines your frequency. Thus, the importance of letting go of old self-limiting things. Be open and receive the new life that is coming to you. Do not resist. Things may hurt more right now because we tend to clench tightly due to the pain. But know that noxious energies are being removed from you to help you transcend. Think of it like a splinter. Sometimes you don't even realize it's there. It doesn't hurt. But it sure does only when you remove it. But only by removing it and cleaning the wound does it make room for healing and completion. So the person you once were cannot be the same person who enters this new life. If you only knew what lies behind this door. So relax into this wonderful process that is happening for you. For our left brainers out there, if your mind needs something technical, then activate your chakras in the back to release, activate in the front to receive. Practice the chakra breathing until you feel more expansive. Check out my video on beginning pranayama, linked in this below, for more techniques like this. You can also inhale through your nose, feeling your whole body with light, unrooting all the stuff that no longer serves you. And exhale it all out through your mouth. Allow it to be that simple. Remember, it's all free will. You can accomplish it if you believe you can. What you don't release, you've held on to consciously or unconsciously. So transcend the boundaries of the mind by the power of belief. Also know that you don't have to do it alone. You can ask your heavy hitters to step in and clean house, whether it's God source energy or your spirit guides. They can access the stuff you can't quite reach, as long as you ask them to do so and you give them permission to do that specifically for you. A little affirmation I use almost every day is, help me to be open. Open to release all the things that no longer serve me. And help me to be open so that I may receive all the blessings that you have in store for me. Remember, you have to be open both directions. Like I've mentioned in a couple of my energy forecasts, when I talk about flow, keep the gates open. Keep them open for the ebb and flow in both directions. In this case, to release and receive. And do not worry. Being open doesn't necessarily make you vulnerable. Openness also allows the power of your being to shine brighter. Part of your being radiating around you like your aura is a protective layer. Your Creator wouldn't create you to be open without strength, right? And don't forget, if you've only heard these words, then you've only chewed your food. You haven't swallowed or assimilated it yet. Hear the words, but feel the energy and power behind them. Like downloading an app for your phone, assimilate these words of power and strength into the core of your being and actuate the program. It is that simple. You only have to allow it. Don't second guess it. Then stand back and watch your new life unfold. You might be tested to see if you'll fall back into old ways, but just know it's all part of the game and keep moving forward. 3 steps forward, 1 step back, 2 steps forward. Just keep going. Oh, and after assimilating your energy meal, don't forget to have dessert, a sweet little dish of gratitude and love. With every breath you take, love flows through every atom of your being to every place and living being you encounter. You are that.